Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Injury crisis laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns bafowethu, kunzima this season. Baningi abantu ababuya ku-injury, uThemba Zwane, uMabhena manje, but ama-injuries engifuna ukufocusa kuwo, uReynolds lo limele lapha kuBafana Bafana, sazi ukuthi injury yakhe difficult kangakanani. And then umvala injury yakhe bafowethu, inzima kakhulu because bekaye kuphi ku-operation. Sikhumbule ukuthi ubuya kwenye vele injury. So I think it's gonna be out for some months if i-operation yedolo. And sikhumbule ukuthi umvala ubuya kwenye vele injury njengoba bengishilo bafethu. So i-future yakhe neMamelodi Sundowns izoba in doubt because iMamelodi Sundowns yaba-offload manje abadlali abahlezi baba ku-injury kufana no, but iMamelodi Sundowns what I like about them ukuthi loyal to ama-players abadlalelayo laphana kufana no, there's this guy uRivaldo Gutia waba injured isikhathi eside but bebakwazi ukumbekezelela until babona ukuthi ayikho indaba yakhe. Manje badila ngumvala abangeke bamthembe because abazi ukuthi on and off, like okay in terms of ukulimala phela kusi-fault yakhe ukulimala but selimala kakhulu. Usikhumbule ukuthi bafuna uNdamane we-TS Galaxy, once bathola yena umfana khona bazohamba laphana ku-defense yamaMelodi Sundowns overall. So i-big blow for lena for iMamelodi Sundowns for umvala. Centrally u-strong, aggressive, uyakwazi ukudlala even as a defensive midfielder. Uletha leyo nto leyo ukuthi kune-fear because umvala ukhahlela kwasani, but kunamaphutha wakho okuconsider ama-necessary mistake. Singeke sikhohlwe ku-Champions League ukuthi wenzani umvala in terms of like ukuba nalawo maphutha wakhe. So i-timing could not be worse because manje iMamelodi Sundowns prepare for ama-CAF fixtures ne-league-ke laphana. They have to catch up in terms of like i-rhythm yabo kumele babuild, they have to build i-team laphana abayithembayo ukuthi izoba strong, izoba solid, izokwazi ukubatholela ama-results overall. So ma-insiders ne-medical team ba-cautious about situation kamvala. They will release I think i-statement emva kwesikhathi ukuthi okay uzoba out for isikhathi esingakanani. But-ke yeah, I mean bane-test, i-depth ye-squad sabo ikhona, but-ke they release so many players, so bona ukuthi bazokwenza kanjani. But-ke emuva banawo ukhoza, ukhona uCupido, ukhona uLibusa, ukhona uGrant Kekana. Mawubheka overall laphana emuva ba-covered bafowethu. I don't think they will struggle, okusho ukuthi vele sebazobona ukuthi umvala abasamdingi that much going forward, noma seka-recover kwi-injury bazobona ukuthi hayi asamdingi ngempela umvala because we were able to soldier on without him. But-ke sobona ukuthi bazobhalansa izinto kanjani laphana kumaMelodi Sundowns bafowethu, because i-depth bayidinga, especially uma badlala i-continental level, badinga abantu abane-experience abakwazi ukudlala ku-continental level. And then another sad news bafowethu, i-star striker sabo bafowethu uReynolds olimale laphana kuBafana Bafana. Simbonile replace or-Evidence Makgopa waku-Orlando Pirates. Unbelievable timing, cabanga umuntu oku-red hot form kanje washaya amagoli and then crucial for iMamelodi Sundowns. I think one of the top goal scorers ku-PSL this season. This hope injury yakhe angeke ibe long, ngeke ibe heavy, ngeke im-affecte kakhulu because mezom-affecta kakhulu kuzoba inkinga of the problem for iMamelodi Sundowns. Mawubheka i-double edge sword iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ama-players wabo ajwayele ukudlala kwi-international duty because umvala before ama-injuries wakhe kuBafana Bafana naye behlezi edlala la. Injury yakhe mane ukuthi abe injured before ama-injured wakhe because this time around ulimale kuMamelodi Sundowns bekakwazi ukudlala njalo nje overall. Sikhumbule ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns this season already bebagijimisa i-MTN 8, i-Carling, i-League, i-Champions League, but they missed out on i-MTN 8 ne-Carling knockout. Bashawe i-Orlando Pirates kuma-penalty, bashawe iMarumo Gallants kuma-penalty. So kusasele i-Nedbank Cup, i-League, i-CAF, Champions League, ama-cup awu-3 asele. So bona ukuthi bazokwazi ukukhompyutha kulawo ma-cup overall, ukuthi bazofitha kanjani, like bazo-reacta kanjani because they have to react from ama-shortfall wabo ukuthi abakwazanga mhlampe ukulwela izinto on locally, because locally angithi they pride themselves as the best team in the country by far. I-dominance yabo akumelanga iphelele ku-league nje kuphela, they have to win nezinye izinto. I think few days back bengisho lento le ukuthi uSibusiso Vilakazi osebenzela iMamelodi Sundowns naye into bekayisho ukuthi ba-desperate for ukuthi bawine amanye ama-cup, bakwazi ukubonisa abantu ukuthi baya-dominate eziMamelodi Sundowns, hayi ukuthi nje bawine i-league nje kuphela. So but-ke disappointment, heartbreak at the same time ukuthi nje in matters of weeks or days bakwazi ukushaywa ku-MTN8 baphinde bashaywe futhi naku-Carling knockout. That's sad for them. That's a big setback for iMamelodi Sundowns, i-team ebheke ukuthi izokwazi ukulida laphana in terms of ukwina izinto nanokuthi izokwazi uku-create-a like i-sense of fear ku-PSL, but-ke at the moment they're not doing that. But-ke I think umuntu njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngihlezi ngisho umuntu akalahlwa, umuntu can still do izinto zenzeke, konke kulele kubo ezama-player ukuthi bakwazi uku-change ama-fortunes wabo laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, bazame ngempela ukuphusha nanokuthi bayilwele i-team overall. But-ke i-confidence ngathi ayikho from u-coach uMiguel Cardoso, because you gotta trust your coach bafowethu before ucabanga ukuwina ama-games. Kumele ukwazi ukumdlalela u-coach wakho, ukwazi ukumunela. But if there's no trust between u-coach ne-player, that's a big problem. Kumele bakwazi ukuthembana, kumele bakwazi ukuproduce lana ama-results. As much as maningi ama-player kuMamelodi Sundowns out of form in a way or angakwazi ukudlalela uMiguel Cardoso, izathu asizazi. Sazi ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso inkinga or ama-player they decide ukuthi banga-perform for uMiguel Cardoso. But khona iplayer la ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalo, uThapelo Maseko bafethu, naye unenkinga kuMamelodi Sundowns, uney'nkinga ey'ningi. Siyazi ukuthi ube nama-setbacks, ama-injuries before Miguel Cardoso even afika kuMamelodi Sundowns, azange bamthathe aye naku-FIFA Club World Cup. But guess what, ubuyile bamdlalisa. I remember this game very well against iMarumo Gallants, aperforma kahle kakhulu second half. It became one of the biggest performers of the game after ungena kwakhe second half against against iMagesi. Yes, against iMagesi waperforma kahle kakhulu. Mamelodi Sundowns yakwazi ukuwina. After lokho bamdropa, waphinde wabuya against Orlando Pirates, but-ke iMamelodi Sundowns at the time bebangathola ama-results, so bamdropa yet again just before i-transfer window ivala. I-Stellenbosch isubmithe i-offer, but-ke babathi bafuna ukumthatha nge-loan. Mamelodi Sundowns ya-reject. And sikhumbula ukuthi bekune-team yase-Europe ebeyimbhekile, iMamelodi Sundowns ya-reject. But bebathe akekho kuma-plans weMamelodi Sundowns, only to change ngama-last minute because bayabona ukuthi okay, i-team bahambise amanye ama-player, kumele still babe ne-team e-well balanced ezokwazi ukuthi i-compete. But umfana akadlali and u-frustrated ngendaba yakhe ukuthi angadlali laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns because yena ufuna i-game time, ufuna ukudlala, ufuna ukuziprove ukuthi angakwazi ukukhompyutha laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. In fact siyamazi sonke bafethu uMaseko ukuthi uyakwazi ukukhompyutha at the highest level, akasabulutho, i-player eli-super exciting. Noma ungalivusa ngobani uthi liyolwela i-team, lizokwazi ukulwela i-team. Super talented, isipiti sakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, I mean like angaba highly influential, but i-influence yakhe iqala kuphi? Iqala ku-coach before kuya kwabanye abantu. Kumele u-coach amthembe ukuthi okay mfana, ngizokunika ama-opportunities ukuthi udlale, then ngiyakuthemba ukuthi ungakwazi uku-change izinto for i-team. But if akukho, akayitholi leyo nto leyo ku-coach, well ayikho ngempela into azoyenza. Nothing much abangayi-expecta ngempela laphana kuye if i-coach ayimthembi overall laphana, because uMiguel Cardoso nama-player wakhe abo-Matthews beyageja, ngazi Matthews egeja ama-opportunity, ama-clear chance awu-6 na this season, but yena uyadlala, but i-final product. But why don't you rest other players, unike abanye ama-opportunities? Because you giving abantu uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi abakuniki leyo performance leyo, banama-mistake amaningi. Yes bayadlala ukudlala, but i-final product you have to rest some of the players, because ngeke uloku uqhubeka ngama-players awodwa, but-ke lawo ma-player awakuniki leyo nto leyo overall. So yizo izinto kumele zibhekwe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, bakwazi uku-improve. Well, they're not far off. This speaks volume bafowethu ngeMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi they still look very competitive, they're still in there for to compete for the league and to try to get results. Well, hayi ukuthi bahleli ku-number 9, no, they are there lapha phezulu ukubonisa ukuthi basasey'Mamelodi Sundowns, but it shows still ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns underperformayo, still they are still powerful, they are still feared. I-team ngempela esazi ukuthi izocompete for everything on offer laphana. So yizo zonke lezi zinto lezi, izinto lesi masibheka overall, isibheka ukuthi okay, Mamelodi Sundowns as much as baney'nkinga zabo laphana eziMamelodi Sundowns, but guess what, still bayakwazi ukuperforma and bangakwazi ukusiza laphana i-team ukuthi ithole ama-results. But uMiguel Cardoso ngathi uye oyinkinga. I-team ikhona, i-stable, i-powerful. U-coach kumele kuthenjwe u-coach. If u-coach akathenjwa, if abathembani coach nama-player, then kunenkinga enkulu bafowethu. But yeah, njengoba bengishilo abantu abaningi abamthemba uMiguel Cardoso, sikhumbule ukuthi uMvala kudala abuyile ku-injury but-ke bengadlali, behlala lapha kuma-grandstand. Miguel Cardoso unamaplayer wakhe awathembayo ukuthi azokwazi ukudeliver ama-results overall. But I mean, we just have to wait and see, sibone ukuthi laphana kumaMelodi Sundowns bazoshape kanjani izinto, nanokuthi uMiguel Cardoso uzoyiqeda isizini na, because already kunama-question marks laphana kuye. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, simake sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.